Today we'll see the programs based on string. We are supposed to write a program to check whether the string ends with ing or not. So here we have declared a package java.util since we are going to make a use of scanner class. Next we have declared the class checking. This method contains the task which we are going to perform. Next is the public static boolean check string s. This is a method, static method with the name check. It takes a single parameter s, which is a string object. This method is designed to check if the string s ends with ing or not. Now we have declared the main function, which is the entry point of the program. Then the scanner object sc is created to read the input from the console. System.in indicates that the input is being taken from the standard input stream. System.out.println is used to enter a string. The message will be displayed on the console. The next method of a scanner class is used to capture the input string entered by the user. The input string is stored in the variable s. Boolean c is equal to name of your class, that is checking, dot check is the name of your static method. This program calls the check method passing the user entered string s as the argument. The result is true or false, which is stored in the boolean variable c. If c, that is condition, checks the value of c, if it is true, it prints that string ends with ing, otherwise not. We'll run the program. Firstly compile using javac space classname.java. It's error free. Execute it, java space classname, and enter a string. Okay, we are entering a string. This string ends with ing. We'll check for another output also. Now here we have entered different string. This string does not end with ing. Now we'll write a program to check how many number of uppercase, lowercase, special characters, spaces and digits a string contains. So for that, firstly we have declared a util package since we are going to use a scanner class, and language package since we are going to use string method. Now we have declared a class with the name character. Then the main function, which is the entry point of the program. Next, a scanner object sc is created to read the input from the console. Then the program prompts the user to enter a string. For that we have used system.out.println statement. We have created the string with s as the object, and we have used next line method which reads the entire line of the text entered by the user, including the spaces, and it stores in the variable s. We have initialized all uppercase, lowercase, special characters, numbers, spaces all to the 0, and we have declared I in order to use a for loop. Then we have calculated the length of a string. N is equal to s dot length. Length is a method of a string. We have used a for loop to iterate through each character of a string s from the first character to the last. Then the char at method is used to retrieve the character at an index I of a string s, and it stores in the variable. In first case, it checks for the condition which is an uppercase letter. If it is found, it increments it, uppercase count is incremented. Similarly, for the lowercase count is incremented, then the digit numbers have been incremented, then the spaces in between space count is incremented, and if any of this condition is not true, increment the count of special case characters. All these counts are displayed with the help of system.out.println statement. We will save the program using character.java and compile it. javac space character.java. It is error-free program executed. Java space character. Now we'll enter a string consisting of small case, uppercase, special characters, digits and spaces. Yes, in this case we have two uppercase characters H and W, lowercase characters, then we have two spaces in between, single special character